set, go. Hi everyone, welcome to Peach Buddy. My name is Morgan and this is my son, Sullivan. Today we are starting our Christmas special. We are going to make cookies. I'm going to do a series of videos where we do all different kinds of our favorite Christmas cookies. This recipe is from my mom's personal recipe collection. It is a recipe that she has made every Christmas for as long as I can remember, and they are my dad's favorite cookie. She has written all of her recipes on these adorable recipe cards that have a cute little pelican on them, and I have always adored them. To start this cookie, you have room temperature butter, granulated sugar, and vanilla. We just need to mix all these together. You want to go ahead and mix? There are no eggs in this cookie. It is just a butter cookie. He's licking the scoop because he got butter all over it. He's cleaning it for us.
That's my turn.
Okay.
I did it!
You did it! Good job. What goes in next?
Cookies!
We need to add flour and pecans. There we go. So my family, growing up, we always used self-rising flour. And of course, now that I'm a pastry chef, that is not something that I typically have at home. But if you don't use self-rising flour, there is 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder per 1 cup of self-rising flour. Alright, so now we're just mashing this all together.
So tasty.
It's so tasty.
And big and strong.
You are big and strong, always. Are you making music? Here, you want to tap on this? Can you drum?
So really tasty.
It's really tasty. Okay, well that's great. I'm glad you like it. The vanilla in here smells so good. Does it smell good?
It smells so good.
So really good. Okay, now that it is all stuck together, we can get our cookie sheet and start scooping. We're going to wash the scoop. I have a cookie tray here lined with parchment just to make our life easier when they are done baking. We're going to take our scoop.
Okay. I have them cookies.
We're going to press it against the side of the bowl. That way they're all the same size.
Here.
Can you squish it out on the tray? Here. Ready? Got it.
1.
I
have to do 2 cookies.
Yeah. 2 cookies.
1, 2, 3 cookies.
We're going to do this until we fill our whole
4
tray.
cookies.
And let's see if we can get 15 cookies. So now that we have them all scooped out, we're going to roll them into a ball. Can you help me roll one?
Okay.
Okay, no. I said roll it, not eat it. Oh my goodness. This guy, we're going to roll them. Just roll them into a cute little ball. Can you roll? Round and around and around. Now these cookies don't spread much at all, so you can give them about 1/2 inch apart and they'll still be okay. I think I'm going to add our little 15 one to the one you took a bite of. No! Now we're down to 13 cookies. We have all of our cookies rolled into nice little balls. Now we can put them in the
oven.
Yeah, 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. And they'll just start to get a little golden brown around the edges. And then we need to get some powdered sugar ready. Here we go.
I put it into the oven. Put baby in.
Yeah. Now that our cookies have come out of the oven, they're still a little warm. And I want to toss them in powdered sugar while they're still warm. And it's okay to leave a nice pile of powdered sugar on here. I'm going to do this for all of them. You want to toss this around in powdered sugar? Cover it up in the powdered sugar. You want to do this when they're warm so the powdered sugar kind of melts and sticks to the cookie. You want a bite? Mmm. They're nice and buttery. They just fall apart in your mouth and melt instantly. Alright. They're a mess though.
It's really yummy.
Really yummy. Yes, these are super easy. They took no time whatsoever. We are all done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Tune in all this month for more Christmas dessert videos. And I hope you guys all have a great holiday.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! This is Santa speaking. Are you excited for Christmas? It's my favorite time of the year. Ho, 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 ho.